Alright, so the ramen is relatively an optional method of cooking. I cooked it in the water with the flavor packet, so that way, from a cold start, that way the flavor packets will get more into the pasta. That way the ramen will be nice and flavored as well. And I cut the boneless chicken breast into what ended up being chunks because barbecue sauce did such a good job of getting the chicken breast nice and, you know, soft and tender and stuff. And of course, as you know, with that style cooking of pasta, you don't want to have it sit too long because then it'll start sticking together to each other. Alright. So now basically what I'm doing is, provided it ever cooperates, I'm getting the ramen to, get a nice bed of ramen set up. Now, portion wise, just however many people is eating, just cook off this. Yep. Ramen's good. Okay. Now then. Why am I in the zone today? Now I microwaved a little bit of soy sauce here. That way we have it. That's kind of a dabba 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 dabba. If you want, or you want to sprinkle it over your ramen and chicken breast. Now, here we go. Now, after I cut it up, I went and took the remainder of the barbecue sauce that I cooked it in, poured it back in here, so we have a complete coating of the chicken breast. See, that's just a little trick, Now, we'll go ahead and just set these guys on top of our ramen. Ramen! You can use any barbecue sauce, any ramen that you think is a good combination together, okay? So don't let the fact that me and Doris used a homemade barbecue sauce. We'll have to show you how to make one. But I want that as a separate video. That way you can see, how it's done. But basically, in a nutshell, it's the portions till it tastes good of ketchup, mustard, honey, sugar, the usual. Alright, but any barbecue sauce will work with this. Like you can even flame grill barbecue your meat for this one. But you kind of mind some flame grill here. Shame. Alrighty, now that I got a nice subbing here, now this is kind of like this is kind of when just, yeah. It's ramen and barbecue chicken. Alright, now I'm going to take this one right here. I'm going to take some of the ramen. What? Don't judge me. It's ramen. I'll take here a piece of the barbecue chicken. See that? Look at that. Admit it. You're jealous! Admit it! That's ramen I use, just so you know. Okay, it's a chicken flavor. Okay, it's chicken flavor ramen. Now you don't have to ask in the comments below. What are you still doing here? I'm eating. Bye. I'm eating my ramen.